This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fuel pump replacement. Locate the fuel pump relay in the fuse box. You can locate the relay by looking at the guide printed on the underside of the fuse box cover. Remove the fuel pump relay from the fuse box. Turn the ignition key to start and crank over the engine for several seconds. It will either start momentarily and immediately stall, or it won't start at all. Loosen the nut on the negative battery cable clamp, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Install the fuel pump relay back into the fuse box. Start by removing the bolt securing the rear seat cushion. Now remove the rear seat cushion by pushing in on the retaining clips under the front edge of the seat on both sides. Open the rear luggage compartment and release the rear seat back and lower it. Remove the carpet trim and the spare tire closure panel. Remove the seat back. Remove the brace plate in order to get to the fuel pump access panel. Remove the fuel pump access panel. If available, use compressed air to remove any debris that has collected on top of the fuel pump area. Disconnect the electrical connector. Place a shop rag under the fuel lines to catch any spills before removing the fuel line. Press in on the tabs that secure the fuel line in place as you pull the line off of the pump assembly. The smaller vapor hose has a different type of fastener, but is removed in the same fashion. Secure the fuel lines out of the way of the pump assembly. Using a fuel pump spanner wrench, rotate the fuel pump assembly locking ring counterclockwise. Keep rotating it until it can be removed. Place a few shop rags around the opening, then pull the pump assembly out of the tank. Remove the old O-ring and replace it with the one provided with the replacement fuel pump assembly. Make sure the mating surface is clean and dry. Guide the fuel pump assembly into the tank, making sure not to bend or damage the fuel level sending unit arm in any way. With the unit located in the correct position, hand start the locking ring. Using the fuel pump spanner, tighten the locking ring in place. Be sure the fuel pump assembly locating arrow is in the right position before securing the ring. Tighten the locking ring securely. With the locking ring in place, reconnect the fuel lines and electrical connection. Then reinstall the access panel. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely. Turn the ignition switch to the start position for a moment and let off to the on position. Now wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize, then start the engine and check for fuel leaks.